What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI Imagine to create images. So very easy. All you have to do once you're in Grok AI, at the top you see Imagine, you tap on that, and all you have to do is simply go ahead and start typing whatever it is. So I'm going to just click on it, and as you can see right here, it has videos and images. So you can tap on image and you can generate whatever it is. So I'm going to just say, for example, Spider-Man, for example. I'm gonna just say Spider-Man fighting Batman. Just out of the blue, something just popped into my head, and I just say, let's go with that. Then just go ahead and click on the generation, and as you can see right here, it's generating. It's gonna give you 4 images, as you can see. Look at that. They created 4 images. How cool is that, guys? So it's very fast, and you can see right there that it even gives you more images, not even 4, but actually more, right? So you have a ton of different images that you can choose from, because it gives you a whole lot. So just generate, and it just continue, and you can generate whatever it is, right? These are comic ones, and if I wanted to make it like a real one, I could even change that and make it right. So we're going to go ahead and generate something else as well. Let's go ahead and generate something that is really interesting. I'm going to say a seed grows into a tree, and I'm going to switch this to video, and I'm going to click on send there. So what I expect is a seed to grow into a tree. So you can use the images or videos. As you can see, we test the image just now, and now we're going to use the video option to create something as well. So you can use both, guys, and let's have a look at what it's going to generate. Have a look at that. It's growing. Very cool, right? Of course it could have grown a bit more into a tree, but you see the power with the AI. So that's all really cool it is, guys. And as you can see, you can basically ask it whatever it is. I'm going to go back to images as well, and I'm going to just say a luxury car in heavy rain, and just go ahead and generate this image, and you will see that it generates a ton of different images with luxury cars in heavy rain, as you can see. So have a look at that, guys. Different kind of cars it generates, and these are just basics, right? So depending on whatever you want to generate, you can use the power of AI to generate these, and it's really cool, right? So I want to recommend that you check this out, guys. It's super easy to use. And yeah, if you haven't heard about Grok Imagine, this is really interesting. So go ahead and check that out, guys. If you find value within this video, I'd appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And if you're new to my channel, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. But guys, once you find an image that you generate and you like, you tap on the image, and you can easily go ahead and hit the download button at the lower part of the left hand side of your screen there, and it's going to quickly download. And once that is finished downloaded, you will see it on your phone that is finished downloading. But that's pretty much how it works, guys. And as you can see, I've downloaded quite a lot more stuff here on my phone. I'm going to show you real quick. In my phone, I've downloaded other images, I've downloaded videos, I've downloaded all of these. I'm going to show you one really cool one. Have a look at it is that you use to generate with Grok AI. If you found value here, guys, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching.